This is my Satria Neo and I have completely transformed this car. You probably can see now, but let's rewind. I'm just gonna keep it stock.
Why they be down the board? Tell them it's part of the plan. I'm just the underdog feeding them slaps. The gains in the palm of my hand. Whoa, they want me to fail, this is personal. They sleeping on me, this is perjury. You make it, nobody has heard of you. Tell them that the pregnant beat for the surgery. Killing it, they ain't gotta guess me.
This is my very first car, Satria Neo. I bought it stock and the first thing I did is change the tires and rims. And the color that I chose has to do with the wrap that I was gonna do in the future. Now you see, even before I bought this car, I already had a vision that what it's gonna look like. And that you'll see later on in the video. It's a Cam Pro 1.6 automatic.
Gay!
And the reason I chose automatic is because this is my daily drive. And let me tell you this, I absolutely love this car. Done a couple road trips with this car and it was amazing. I feel like this is such a perfect car for me to travel in. And my gosh, it's such a fun car to drive. It feels like a go-kart, handles perfectly, and it feels so good on the windy roads. Just look at the smile on my face when I drive this car. I absolutely love it. With all that being said, the next step was to do a body kit and wrap, which is what I did.
I'm currently right behind Dr. Wrap Motorsports. My car is inside getting wrapped and I'm trying not to look too much because I want to kind of surprise myself, but I have to take shots of the car getting wrapped. So Dr. Wrap Motorsports, they are expert at wrapping. If you guys want to get anything wrapped, please come here. I've been coming here with my motorbikes for twice in a row and this is my second wrap and they did an amazing job when I had my Yamaha R25. Even long before when I wanted to buy this car, I had this vision for the car and it's finally coming together, so I'm super excited. Alright, it's been a few days. I'm back at Dr. Wrap Motorsports and I am going to see my car for the very first time. Oh my god. What is this? This looks amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Sadie. Oh my god, I don't know, I have no words. Absolutely beautiful, exactly how I imagined. I'll show you the picture right here, what I had a vision of the car, and here it is, finally it's done. And wow, this is my very first car, first build, beautiful wrap. He even painted the diffuser black, added this spoiler right here. Remember when you were a kid and you play Need for Speed? You go get a car and you color it, you put a body kit on it. So this is my first car, and obviously as an adult, I'm gonna repeat the things that we used to do in Need for Speed. And as much as we all like manual cars, I decided to go with auto. 1.6 Cam Pro NA. It is not a fast car by all means, but it is a fun car. And this is my very first car. 2009 old car. I had to fix a lot of issues with the car. Maintenance, wear and tear, a lot of leaking stuff, and now that that was all done, obviously I got myself a body kit. So I got this body kit. I don't really see many Satrias with this kind of body kit, so it looks pretty wide and thick. It's fiberglass, and then I decided to wrap this car. So I wrapped this car with Dr. Wrap Motorsports, highly professional people, and I highly recommend you guys go there. They did an amazing job.
friend from Indonesia, Nabil, legendary FPV pilot, and we just came out here to take some shots of the car. Now we're heading back, and yeah, I'm just enjoying the drive. How do you feel about the drive and the roads, Malaysian roads?
I feel fair. The road compared to my village is better.
Yeah, and then I think I've noticed people don't drive as fast, right?
Yeah.
So I was just doing 100, and he was like recording it. Oh, 100! I was like,
Yeah.
bro, it's just 100. Come on. Here in Malaysia, bro, they go crazy. Like they do like 200 plus, and that is like normal.
I think that's the first time I
So 100?
I saw 100 in the corner.
It's crazy, bro. So yeah, just wrapped the car, came out here to take some shots, did the body kit, and these roads that we are going through, I'm just gonna put it on the map. Really beautiful. Actually, I'm not gonna share it. No, I'm not gonna share it because I don't want this to be ruined. Not many people drive here, not as popular as Genting Highland, but
Yeah.
really love the drive. So yeah, this car absolutely amazing to drive, corners so flawlessly. It's not a fast car, but it is a fun car. Still can't get enough of how beautiful this car, and obviously it's tuned by Lotus, so you can tell. Really nice. Top gear. It was in the top gear for the we're coming up on Axia. Cutting up. Oh my god, your bag is sliding around. Yeah, and one more thing that I did when I bought the car is change my tires to really grippy ones. I have Yokohama Advan Flavor. These are really good grippy tires, good in the rain, good in the dry. As you can see, like it doesn't slip out no matter what, and I'm really happy with that. So yeah, this is the car, and I hope you guys enjoy that. Oh, by the way, we got some amazing drone shots of our pilot right here, professional. He have anti-gravity, and we got some amazing shots in the morning. It was a little hazy, and we got the sun pops out just at the right moment, and the shots were amazing.